Good morning, friends. I wanted to make a quick video of how to make an Emaze. It's really pretty simple, but I just want to take you through it step by step so you won't be confused when it's your turn to do it. All you do is first open emaze.com and you'll come to a screen that looks like this. You click on login or sign up. Undoubtedly, you may not have an account, so you probably need to sign up. But the other thing that's easy to do is do it with Google and just sign up with Google. And I'm going to use another account. There we go. I'm going to allow them to have access to my screen. And there we go. So a lot of this is extra stuff to get you to sign up to buy something. We're going to do a free version, and that's the goal, is to have everything always be free. So we're going to go to the word up here in the right-hand corner, Create. And we're going to create a presentation. And there's hundreds of templates here that you can see. You can scroll down. If they cost money, there'll be a, I don't know if you see the diamond in the corner of this one. That means that it's an upgrade. If there's no diamond, it means it's free for you to use. There's one that I really like. It's in art and design, and I think it would work really well for what you're going to do in class, but you're free to pick any of these that you want. But it's called Soho Gallery. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click Edit. And it's going to set me up with a template. And you put the title of your project in this box, in a text box. If you go bigger than the box, you probably would want to end up with a smaller font. Or you can move the box and reshape it. So you'd probably want to start your assignment with some kind of front page that tells people what you're going to do. Or what's the purpose. And you would type that in. And then we're going to start adding slides. They're over here on this right-hand side, left-hand side. Sorry, don't know my right from my left. And we're going to add a slide. And you have 5 areas to cover for this assignment, let's say. And that's true in Dr. Taylor's assignment. You have 5 areas to cover. And so you're going to want to pick a slide that makes it easy for you to write on it. So it could be something like this with pictures, would be the next slide. And see how it just moved? That's what it's going to do when you are finished. The whole thing is going to be moving and portraying what you've written, your assignment. So what you'll do is you'll just change words in the font that you like. Not like that. You'll edit the text. You can move it around. Let's just say it's scenario 1. And then you're going to answer a question. So you would write the question out here that you're discussing. And then you'd write your answer here, right? You can change the pictures. pretty easily. Like there's things that they put on these pictures, but you can change the picture itself by just coming up here to the picture and it says change image. All these things will give you an effect. I'm not going to go through all of those because it's not really necessary. So you have, from what I understand for this assignment, 5 scenarios, and you're answering 4 questions for each scenario. So that's going to mean that you need a total of 20 slides, or you could either do that, or you could choose to slide this up, put question 1 and its answer here, and then put scenario 2. I mean, it's all under scenario 1, I'm sorry. You could leave scenario 1, put question 1 here, put question 2 here, put question, as many as you want to fit on a slide. I just wouldn't make it too crowded, because then you can add as many slides as you want. So let's try another one here, like this. And this is supposed to be an art gallery. But then if you were going to do this for scenario 2, and then you have your 4 questions here, or you can do 4 individual slides. And it's not hard, again, to add another slide. And then you can try different types of slides if you want to. You can sort of do whatever you want. If you ever needed a chart, there we go, and you just change the chart. I mean, it's really a great program. So that's how you really do it, how you get set up, how you edit it. All the editing is right up here at the top. The things you can add text, you can add an image. It either can be from your computer or from one of these others. And there we go, you can add video. So like if you found a YouTube video, you can paste the URL code in here and it'll show up on your screen. I mean, it's not just a cool thing for the class you're in right now, but it's a really cool thing for you to remember, because it's like sort of PowerPoint and Prezi on steroids. I mean, it really becomes really interesting when you're done. So let's say we're done. We're going to save it to our account, right? Because you made an account. It's going to go under this account. I'm not going to save it because I don't need this necessarily. And then we're going to say we're going to share it. And here is a link to share. And you're going to copy that link, and you're going to go into, when you're finished, you're going to go into Canvas, and you're going to paste that link in the assignment. And then your instructor will be able to open up your Emaze and look at it. So that's about it. I mean, it's really not that hard. I think I've covered everything. I mean, I'm not going to go through every detail of how you have to fiddle around with it. I could tell you things to do to it, but I think part of the great thing of using technology is having to struggle a little bit with what you want to do and how it's going to fit your project. Okay, so I'm going to push stop here.